Motorola Cliq Motherboard Replacement. This guide explains how to replace a damaged or broken motherboard on the Motorola Cliq. You will need to be ready to handle many small parts, including 4.0mm screws and multiple small panels. Turning over your phone, place 2 fingers on the back cover and apply pressure away from the camera to slide the back cover off. Pinch the battery pull tab located below the camera, pull it upwards and remove the battery. The pull tab may be tucked under the battery. Wedge a plastic opening tool behind the panel covering the camera, pry it up, and remove it using your fingers. The panel is held down by adhesive and may require you to wedge and pry the right side of the panel before it can easily removed. Remove the 6 4.0mm T4 Torx screws which line the edge of the back of the phone. Turn the phone over and slide out the keyboard. Wedge a plastic opening tool where the keyboard meets the back casing of the phone next to the headphone jack. Carefully pry open the back casing along the keyboard's edge until at least 2 corners of the back casing are separated from the keyboard. Do not fully separate the rear panel from the phone. A cable is connecting the 2 parts together. Carefully separate the back casing from the rest of the phone. Gently pry the ZIF connector upwards using the flat end of a spudger tool. The ZIF connector is glued down. Be gentle. Ripping it off or breaking it will make your phone inoperable. You may need adhesive to keep your power cable in place when reassembling your phone. Press your thumb against the orange power cable and pull it down slowly to disconnect the power cable from the bottom of the keyboard. The rear casing and the rest of the phone should now be completely separated. Wedge the plastic opening tool underneath the black display connector and pry it off its socket on the motherboard. Pry the orange keyboard connector from its socket on the motherboard using the edge of the plastic opening tool. Carefully grab the sides of the motherboard with your fingers and remove it from the phone.